Hello guys, hi. Today we'll be reviewing the new Crompton ChopMaxx electric vegetable chopper. It's the best replacement for your chopping boards with 300 watts motor and an 800 ml capacity. Now let's take a look at the components of the product. First, we have the chopper and it comes with two attachments, a whisker and a blade. For this video, we'll be using the product to chop tomatoes. It's effortless to use. We'll add the roughly chopped tomatoes into the transparent bowl, insert the twin S-shaped ninja blade, cover the lid and attach the motor. Now plug the chopper in. Press the button on top to grind. Well, this was our review for the Crompton ChopMaxx electric vegetable chopper. Which product should we review next? Comment below.